Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Venmo application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Venmo and start your search. Once you find the Venmo application on your device, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will begin the download and installation of the Venmo application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can just tap on it to open up the Venmo application on your device. Now, once it is opened up, you can proceed with signing up and creating a new account or logging into your existing one to directly start using Venmo from your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Venmo application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.